Really breezy out there right now. Winds coming in off the Atlantic out of the east, 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting near 30 miles per hour. You see the current winds right now out of the east in Boca Raton at 20 miles per hour. Stewart, you've got winds at 16 miles per hour, gusting even higher than that. And these winds are going to stick around for the rest of the day. And that is also increasing our rip current risk, a dangerous risk of rip currents at the area beaches today. Surf waist to chest high. So if you had the beach in your plans, you're going to need to be really careful. We also have a small craft advisory in effect until this evening. Seas 5 to 7 feet, choppy on the inland water, so really not a great beach or boating day. Taking a look at Viper Cache, you can see here these showers continue to stream through. It does increase the coverage a little bit as we head into the later afternoon and early evening. So as you're getting off of work and as the kids are getting off of school, there are going to be a few showers around. So keep that in mind. I do think it's overdoing it just a little bit, but I do expect at least a few showers. Temperatures right now 73 degrees in Okeechobee. We're at 77 in Boynton Beach. You can see upper 70s in Port St. Lucie, so we are warming up quickly. Your afternoon hour by hour shows we'll be in the lower 80s through the afternoon, gusty winds, isolated showers, and sunset just before 5:30. Your highs today, lower 80s area wide, windy and warm day, isolated showers, and more cloud cover building in as of now. Overnight tonight, lower 70s for most, more like the 50s inland, though it will be a little cooler there, and a few showers are possible, staying breezy even as we head into the overnight hours. Tuesday and Wednesday continuing that breezy and warm trend. In fact, we stay well above average, slightly lower rain chances, but still, we are going to have a mix of sun and clouds. Take a look at Thursday, though. Thursday's making it into the mid-80s. It's going to be a very warm day, well above average. That's ahead of a cold front that's going to move through Thursday into Friday. With that cold front, we're going to have an increasing chance for showers and also a slight cool down, but not much of a cool down. You see Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're only in the lower 80s.